Hi guys. Over the summer, I've been working with Boom Cards. You might have heard of Boom. It's on Teachers Pay Teachers. There's tons of resources that are out there that are free with Boom. Some you have to pay for, and you can even make your own. I'm thinking about getting into creating my own things as well. Um, what I want to teach you about is something that I bought in a license that I can share with all of you. So I just want to explain to you a little bit about how that works and how you can use it. Um, I decided to start with sight word practice. So kind of like what a sight word station would be something that they could do at home. Um, I'm just going to show you a little bit about how that works and how I can share that with you. So I'm going to pull it up right now. Switch to this. So if you ever want to just look at the website, it's just Boom Cards. And I'm going to go sign in. I have an account, so I'll just come up pretty fast. Um, and then in my account, I think my thing is big enough for you to see this, but there's a library. And in the library, I have some stuff in folders. I've just been collecting things. I don't have everything in there. But this one says Sight Words Unit 1, Week
Does.
1. Oh, sorry. Um, so this is the practice that I have set up for the kids. I'm going to show you a little bit about how a boom works. Let me see if I can. Okay, now you can see everything that the kids are seeing. I'm going to be setting up a video for them as well to teach them how to do it. But first of all, there's the little microphones.
Find all of the words that say
And then they have to click on the star
does.
to find the word. And so they have to find all of them. I will just do one the right way first of all to show you how it works. Okay.
Does.
And then they have to type, which I really like this because it is going to be a little bit harder for them because obviously we know the keyboard is capital and it's going to show up lowercase, but it's going to really help, I think, as they're physically doing it, help them think about the spelling of the word. So obviously we know they'd be much slower with that.
Does.
And remember that anytime there's a microphone.
Spell the word.
So here they're dragging the letters. So let me show you what happens if they do something wrong. Okay, we'll do this. And then they click submit. Oh, tells them that they got some of it right, but some of it wrong. Okay, and so those are the three things that they do, and they'll do those
Not.
fine with each word, okay, until they get to the end, and I'll show you how it looks at the end. Okay, so now I'm on the last section of the last of the 4 sight words for wonders, lesson 1, week 1. And I'll just do that so you can see how it ends. Oh, I was doing it under preview. I apologize. I thought that was going to do the whole thing. Let me go switch to this. Okay. So what it does at the end is because I have the license, I can then analyze the data, see how many times the students have done it, what their skill level is, and how it's working for them. So it's really more of a formative assessment for me. I can share the links with you, but it's just going to be practice for them. So if you want to get the license yourself, then you could use it as the assessment. It really just depends how you want to use it. Mine, I will post in Google Classroom. There's a link that goes right from Boom to Google Classroom, but you have to have a Boom account to do that. But otherwise, you'll just have a link. And I'm going to show you what that link looks like that I would share with you. Okay, so right here, this is the one I did, Sight Words, Unit 1, Week 1, Wonders. And I clicked on it and did it as and that's why I didn't get all the data, because I just did it as a demo to see. I went under Action, and I can assign it, and that's where I would just put it right into the Google Classroom. But I also can do a fast pin or a hyperplay link. And a hyperplay link is what I would do for you guys. And I'm just going to copy the link. And then I could send it to you in a Word doc. You can copy and paste it into the Google Classroom yourself. So let me show you what that would look like. So I'm sending this to myself. Ideally, I wish I could send you the entire year all at once and you could just put it in a Google Doc and pull it up, but they only stay active for 2 weeks. So, so I would just probably call it. Okay, and then obviously I'm going to send it to you. And so then all you would have to do is cut and paste that and put it however you want the kids to use it. Um, and I think that would probably be the best way for it to work. Um, Something for them to do at home. We definitely should look at, maybe we can get it into, I can load it into all the Chromebooks. Maybe we can look at doing it something like that. But for now, I think this works. As we're doing our hybrid, this could be something that could be on a board in your Google Classroom for the kids to practice their sight words at home. And obviously, if you want to use the flashcards, you can do it that way too. I just found that my students were a lot more engaged doing this and they were practicing it over and over again. So anyway, there you go. Boom cards.